Hello guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today we're gonna do the road for the game that we set up earlier. So let's get started. So let's set up a plane. Just right click 3D object and a plane. Okay, make it 120 by 25. Okay, now let's turn it 90 degrees and let's adjust it a little bit. Keep it in the middle. There you go. Unity asset store. I think it will open faster, but it doesn't mind and then we go road textures. Let's see what we get. So we got nice ones. Let's see this one. You can use any. I'm just gonna buy this because I'm using it for this game to launch it up on Android, so I have to buy these. But you can use any thing that you want. Right, after I get this, just press on open in Unity and it will send you straight away from where you download the pack. So and then you hit import. Import. Right, so what we're gonna be doing next is making the car go forward, because now we're just going sideways and that's it. Right, so we're going in the PC controls script, and in the update we're gonna write a little code. Transform dot translate vector 3 dot forward times by FL speed. FL speed will be the float that we define up here. Yeah. And here, instead of 0f, we're gonna write this. Get component rigid body dot position dot set. There you go. That should do the work. Let's test it up. Oops. Save it. Test it up. With the phone connected, let's get it tested. Alright, now what we can do, we can adjust the speed of the car. Instead of FL1, let's put 3. It'll be much faster. There you go. And you finish the level. Now if you like to add more of these, just copy them and place them wherever you feel you want to. But as you can see, the road is really long, so you can make an actual level from this. move the finish line, which is just an empty game object, with a box collider that is triggered on it. That's it. To make it look better, you have to scale it down until it fits the screen, maybe like half, right, and then change the tiling for the normal map to 250 and this one to 10. That looks way much better. Cool. Depends on how would you like to see the camera. Just try to play with it. Depends on how you like it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials and some more gaming stuff. Thank you very much. Bye.